မင်္ဂလာပါကျွန်တော် start weekend အကျိုးဆိုပါတယ်ကျွန်တော်တို့ဒီလာမယ့် December အတွက်ပေါ့နော် inspiration ရအောင်ဒီနိုင်ငံတကာကပညာရှင်တွေကိုဖိတ်ခေါ်ပြီးတော့စကားပြောနေဖြစ်ပါတယ် so this time around I have invited Arasu from CodecaX, right? So Arasu, you want to introduce yourself?
Minglava, hi everyone. Good to connect with all of you in Startup Week in Yangon. So my name is Arasu. I run a software development company that focuses on enterprise solutions, e-commerce, healthcare, manufacturing solutions, all of these, and for financial institutions as well, primarily in the space of no-code platforms and AI. So that's about me.
Thank you. So you already know that we have this Star Weekend, which is going to happen on 1st, 2nd, and 3rd December. So pretty much we are bringing together all the young people to form teams and then learn together on these 3 topics. Learning about the customers, trying to articulate your idea through 9 components of laying canvas, and also preparing the pitch in like 4 different sort of components: intro, demo, business, and learning, and present this to the potential stakeholders. And then we are going to select like 3 startups through the judges, and then 1 is through public voting. So we are going to select 4 startups on this event, and it's going to happen on the 1st, 2nd, 3rd December. So it's very close now. And this time around, the theme of the Star Weekend, right, is like innovation and global scalability. So when we are talking about global scalability, we talk about this business process outsourcing. We could talk about e-commerce. We could talk about like online education market, global management consulting services market, and Web 3.0 market, agriculture. And for us, I think it's more relevant for us to talk about the AI market, because you are mostly doing AI, right? With your company. So what kind of sort of solutions, or what kind of sort of industry space that you're in right now? Would you mind sort of explaining a bit more in details?
Yeah, sure. So our focus is on enterprise solutions, right? Like software solutions that make it easier for businesses to run their core areas, primarily focused on addressing their key problems that they have, but beyond problems, really taking it to the next level, right? Like how can businesses operate at the next level, leveraging technology, and how can technology not just be a support function to get email running or get systems running, but how can technology really be a driver in impacting business metrics and growing the business? Because that's been a key trend across the board, right? It's like across all industries, we see that as a key trend right now.
I see. So when it comes to doing no codes, would any young person be able to try out your no code solutions for building products for their own self, or what kind of opportunities you could provide for the younger generation startups as well?
Yeah, so both are no-code and AI platforms right now. At this point, it's more focused towards enterprises, so it's not really open for someone to just connect online and start working off it. But that's something that we are working on, and that's something that we can potentially see how we provide an opportunity for people to build applications on top of the no-code platforms or AI platforms that we are currently developing. But that would be a great opportunity to build enterprise solutions quickly on top of no-code platforms. Because the reason why we are focused on no-code and AI itself is for the simple reason that we believe strongly that in the next 2-3 decades, these are going to be huge areas that are going to impact how businesses operate, right? And how the world operates in general. Because technology is becoming more and more complex, but it's also more and more powerful. But how do we empower a business team through our technology solutions to achieve their business results, right? Like, how can a business team not be blocked by technology coming from a service provider or planning BRD after BRD, change request again and again, going to external service providers? But how can you quickly empower in-house teams to manage their technology requirements in-house through no-code platforms, right? Because businesses are becoming more and more competitive, more and more complex, and businesses are becoming more and more unique in their own ways, that the standard solutions no longer suffice, right? So that's why they need solutions that kind of can be customized, can be modified by the in-house team very quickly, right? It's like as the business evolves, how can the in-house team very quickly keep leveraging technology through no-code solutions to build their solutions and adapt to the changing requirements? Same with AI, right? It's I think we've probably in the last under than a year seen the biggest innovations in AI, right? It's like AI has had a lot of progress earlier in many areas, like speech to text, text to speech, or image recognition. All of these have been there. But the entry of generative AI is a big leap, right? It significantly changes the way we operate. And also the big players in Gen AI have platformized it and opened it up that a whole bunch of software vendors can build applications on top of that to see how we can leverage AI for business purposes in various ways, right? It's today Gen AI can be used for mining large volumes of data, understanding, summarizing, making it better expressive, understanding images better. There is so much happening in the Gen AI space, and with all these available as platforms, there's a huge opportunity in this space as to how we use AI to simplify our day-to-day tasks, right? And each business or each educational institution will have its own needs in terms of how Gen AI can be used. And the way I look at Gen AI is it's going to significantly change the way we operate and significantly improve productivity. And that's something that we should be looking at. We should look at how we use AI solutions to improve productivity, because otherwise there is a possibility of going obsolete and not being at the best we can, right? So that's probably going to be a big trend in the next couple of decades, leveraging Gen AI for improving productivity in any kind of operation, using base platforms, but building solutions on top of that for each use case that can significantly help, whether it's for developers, whether it's for businesses, educational institutions, healthcare. All of these areas are likely to be significantly impacted by Gen AI. And that's a good area for all of us to learn, participate in, and be part of that growth.
I see. When it comes to talking about no-code solutions for AI, your customers, from your point of view, they are kind of the business users in corporations and companies who should be able to adapt or change or improve their business processes without the need to really go to the IT people, right? That's the goal of the local solutions. Is it the case, or could you
Exactly.
please explain a bit more about this as well?